Today we're going to take a quick look at the Birthdays app, what it is and how to set it up. The Birthdays app will display those people's names who have birthdays today at any given time. And it pulls those names from a list that you've typed in or pasted into the app. And each time the page is displayed in the playlist, it will pick another name from the list if there's more than one person who has a birthday today. You can also do formatting of the app just like other apps that we have in the system, so you can have those names be animated in various ways. For example, we could choose one of these animations here for to make the name kind of jump out more as it's sitting on the page, like this. And as you can see, it will rotate through various names. And so to set it up, what we do is we click on the birthdays button, and as you can see, I've already got a list here, so I could scroll down and add more people to it, but let's just start from scratch. So I would click on the Birthdays app right here, and that brings up the list automatically that we can start typing into, like this. Or we can also paste in from a spreadsheet. So I've got Excel pulled up over here, and you can see I've got a list of names and associated birthdays. The name can be full name or just first name, as you please, but all aspects of the name goes in one column, and then the birthday goes in column 2. And the date needs to be formatted as short date or just kind of numerical date like this, not the so-called long date format, which will include the day name and the month name, which our system doesn't understand. So you want to set the formatting of the column to short date, and then once you've got your list set up the way you want it, you just select both columns, copy that, and then paste that into the name section of the Birthdays app, and it will drop both the name and the birthday in at the same time. You can see I've got this long list here, and then we just save this and move it into position. You want to make sure that you leave enough width on the element to display both the first name and the last name, or a really long name. So if you expand it to a larger size, you just want to make sure there's enough room there. When you first set this up, it needs to compile the list, so you won't immediately see a preview on what names are available for birthdays today. So you can just save the page and go back to the playlist and view it there, or go back into the page designer again after you've saved it, and pull it up again. But that's the basics on how to use the Birthdays app. Hope you enjoyed this. See you on the next one.